Ian, why don't you answer your phone? You haven't texted me back in like, I miss you.
I think I got it. Hey, I just wanna thank you real quick. Thank you for the times we spent. Thank you for the message you sent. Keeping it 100%. Thank you for the times we kissed. Listen all the hours we wish. Listening to Tyler and shit. Playing games like a fucking night shift. Used to think about it so much. Then I stopped thinking so much. Sipping on juice like punch. I ain't never giving no fuck. Bad times I could leave it in the past. So bad that you put me on blast. So mad you been looking so sad. So fast you could leave me in the past. Going out to the movie saying way back. You put my love in a sack like a tic tac. Feeling all up on my body like a six pack. Now you saying get back before you get smacked. Staring at the screen wondering if you'd call. Remember times we'd ball, no football. But you never cared knowing how you treat me. That's why it's me sipping tea in the backseat. I just wanna thank you real quick. Seeing through your lies and bullshit. One kiss flip turn to one hit. I ain't really giving a shit. Every dime